Unfortunately for you, Mr. William Ruto, you sought to uphold the Constitution of Kenya. You saw, I must remind you, to uphold the Constitution of Kenya. And some of the things you are trying to do together with your fellow administrators in this failed administration are clearly anti the Constitution, and they are impeachable offenses. Na haitakoma hapo impeachable offense. It can even go to the International Court of Justice. Kumbukeni, tulisema this nonsense about abduction lazima ikome. We are repeating it from here, nikiwa nyumbani. Ni lazima mkomeshe abduction. Na kama mnaomba msamaha, uwe realistic. You cannot give conditional apology.